The way your customer finds you online is going through the biggest change we have ever seen. For decades, ranking on Google's first page was the ultimate goal. That's how people found your products, your services, and your business. But the old system is disappearing, quietly but fast. Google has bought something called AI mode, and it's already live for more than a billion people. This is not just another update or algorithm tweak. It's a total transformation of how search works. And if your business depends on SEO or website traffic, you need to understand what's exactly happening. Until now, Google has worked like a directory. You type a question, Google gives you a bunch of links, each competing for your click. But with AI mode, that's over. Google is becoming an answer engine, not just showing results, but actually creating them. When someone searches, AI mode uses advanced generative models to read through top web pages, understand the key points, and then generate a single well-written answer directly on the search page. So instead of 10 links, user get one complete answer. They never have to click anywhere. And that means if your website depends on clicks, you might start seeing less and less traffic. It's not just about speed or convenience. It's a whole new experience. You can ask something complex like, what's the best marketing strategy for a small business in 2026? And then follow up with, how can I implement it myself? The AI remembers your previous questions. It builds context, so it feels like you're talking to a marketing expert rather than just a search engine. You're not limited to typing. You can speak, take a photo, or upload a file. The AI understands it. Imagine snapping a picture of your website landing page and asking, what can I improve here for better user experience? That's where we're heading. Instead of showing you separate sites, it blends multiple high authority sources together to form one complete answer. So your content might be part of the answer, but the user might never visit the page. And that's where the real problem begins. Right now, publishers and businesses are already feeling the heat. Sites that used to rank high for information queries are losing anywhere to 20 to 60% of their organic traffic, and in some cases even more. Google AI can pull data from your blog, your guides, your case studies, combine them with a few others, and show that information directly to users without ever sending traffic your way. So you provide the value, Google keeps the attention. That's called a zero-click search, and it's becoming the new normal. You cannot fight Google's evolution, but you can adapt. The businesses that adjust early are the ones that will stay visible and trusted in the AI era. Google AI is not pulling random information anymore. It's trained to avoid low quality content, fake claims, and irrelevant topics. It prioritizes what Google calls the EEAT strategy, which refers to experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. That makes your website and content must show you who you are, what makes you credible, and why users show trust on your information. If you are a fitness brand, show your certifications. If you're a tech agency, share real client results. AI rewards authenticity. Stop creating scattered blogs about random keywords. Start owning topics. If you run an e-commerce brand, stop writing random blogs like top 10 products for summer or why customers love our store. Instead, just focus on owning an entire topic that connects directly to what you sell. For example, if your brand sells skincare product, create one main guide like the ultimate guide to building a daily skincare routine. Then surround it with focused sub-articles such as how to choose the right cleanser for your skin type, the science behind vitamin C serums, etc. When you create this kind of content cluster, you're not just selling products, you're becoming the go-to resource for skincare advice. This structure helps Google see you as a knowledge hub, not just another website. And when AI looks for sources, it prefers depth over volume. Think about how AI reads your content. It looks for structures, short paragraphs, clear headings, and clean answers. So when you're writing, format your content for readability, not keyword stuffing. Use bullet points, step-by-step instructions, FAQs, and short answers. You want your page to be the easiest and most reliable one for AI to quote. Remember, AI mode does not just read text, it watches, listens, and understands visuals. So don't just rely on blog posts. Create short explainer videos, visual charts, infographics, and even podcasts that show your expertise. Google can now understand what's said in a video, what's written in an image, and even what's displayed on a chart. That means your video might become the source for AI answers. In the old world, SEO was about ranking. Now it's about relevance and reliability in the AI layer. Your goal is not just to appear on Google anymore. It's to be quoted by Google's AI as a trusted source. To be the brand that AI relies on when answering users' questions. That's the future of visibility. And if you start adapting now, building trust, authority, and clarity in your content, you won't just survive this change. You will lead it.